Well, good afternoon. My name is Megan, and I have decided to pick the topic animal management. But to start the day off, we're going to discuss how to practice biosecurity on your own pig farm. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and go through some background of what biosecurity truly means. It is all procedures used to prevent the introduction and spread of diseases. Then the objections of biosecurity is just to prevent the entry of diseases coming into your farm. But like everything, things happen and you just have to be ready for them and be on your toes. So it's good to have an understanding of how to control the spread of diseases once they do enter your operation. Then if you look to your right in the upper corner, I just have a quick photo that shows how to be respectful once you are a visitor to a bigger operation or even to a local farm, that there are going to be guidelines of how to go through biosecurity of so we can control what leaves and comes into our pig operations. Finally, on the last slide, I just have the works cited for the three photos from the prior slide.